What's up, guys? I'm trying to get the lighting right. Hopefully, it looks good. But anyway, I'm not a big camera person. I've never been on camera like this. But my name's Nate. I joined the course January 5th, 2021. So it's been 87 days. Today's April 2nd, since I joined, and I've already closed two deals. If Brent was here, he'd probably be ringing that bell right now. But yeah, already closed two deals, and it's just crazy. I remember I was debating joining. So if you're on the fence, obviously I would say join. You know what I mean? It's like people say this all the time, but it's so true. 10 years down the road, are you going to regret that you joined? Probably not, right? But you will regret if you don't join and you don't take that chance and step it up, right? So if something's calling you, you know what I mean? Like it was calling me, and like I know it calls a lot of people. You feel it, you feel it calling you to join this program and take it to the next level, right? Pull the trigger. If you can, pull the trigger. When I pulled the trigger, I put it on a credit card, right? I put it all on a credit card. And I'm not saying that's the right thing to do for everybody. But for me, it gave me that motivation and that fire. Like, I need to make these deals close, and here it is. Like I said, 87 days later, closed two deals for $36,700, and I have more in the pipeline. Like today, I'm gonna there's a lead that I'm gonna call that I think is gonna be a good deal. So the investment for me is definitely worth it. For a lot of other people, has been worth it as well. And I would say, if you're debating pulling the trigger and joining the course, you know what I mean? Join the course. Join the course. If I could go back and join the course a year earlier, I would have, because Brent puts out so much good information on Wholesaling Inc podcast, not just Brent, but the whole Wholesaling Inc crew, right? And on his YouTube videos as well. There's so much good information there that I was closing deals before I joined. I closed like 4 or 5 deals before I joined, but that was over the course of a year and a half, right? So I wasn't consistent. What you get when you join the course is, when you join the TTP family, is just that. You get a family. You get a group of motivated people who are going to push you and keep track on you. You know what I mean? Brent tells you, as soon as you join the course, get on the Facebook support system and introduce yourself. So everybody knows and they know your goals, right? So there's no hiding. You can't take, if you take a lazy day off, man, people see it. So, like I said, nobody's going to force you to pull the trigger on this, but I would highly encourage it if you feel it. It's not for everybody, but if you feel like you want to take it to the next level, like I did, like I want to, then go for it, man, or ladies. All right, guys, peace out.